Hello everyone, this is Afrin Qureshi here and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Qalb e Qalam. And today we are going to discuss about the tools which we are going to use in our brush pen calligraphy. So first English calligraphy, pardon. So first we are going to start with the faux calligraphy because faux calligraphy is very important. Before learning brush pen calligraphy, you must know faux calligraphy so that you will be knowing the basics, like where you have to add the thickness, where you have to add the thin strokes, like this. Okay, so the tools which you can use is a normal pen. Any pen will work, or you can even take pencil if you have, or any normal thing that will work. But here I am using this pen. If you wish to watch the unboxing video of it, it is available on the channel. The link is in the description. You can watch the unboxing video of this. Well, I have never used it. Maybe once I have just tried it, but I have never used it officially. So here's the pen which I am going to use for calligraphy. This is glass pen and I really loved it. Okay, so I can't just write it with this. I need ink for it. So I am using calligraphy ink here and I have chosen these two colors. I feel that the combination will be great. And because these ink have this kind of cap, so I can't, I'm sorry. So I can just directly dip it. So I will be needing a container for this. So here I have some glass containers, okay, and I will be using this injection to pull out ink from it, and then we'll pour it here. So these are the things which I am going to use. Also, one paper. This is not watercolor sheets which we usually use, but this have a texture and it's kind of little bit thicker than the normal paper. This is the paper which we use, like A4 sheet. See, it's so thin that we can even see what is behind it. So I'm not going to use it. Instead, I'm going to use this sheet, which is, I feel it's good. Okay, I've been using it for a while now. So yeah, if you want to buy any product which I have shown you in the video, you can. Everything is present, available on our Academy page. Academy page link is already there. It's on Instagram by the name Al Rahman Official. So you can just text us there and ask the details about the product which you want. Okay, so these are the things which I'm going to use. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.